Happy morning, children. In this class, you are going to learn poem 5. Okay, last poem. We didn't discuss in live class. Okay, so open your book at page number 165. My brother built a robot. Okay, it was written by Jack Prilitsky. Okay, Jack Prilitsky. Children, take next to page 166. They gave poet introduction. So he is okay, Jack Prilitsky is an American poet who writes a humorous. Okay, humorous means a fun poems for children. He says that as a child he did not enjoy poetry, and so as an adult he hopes to write poetry that entertains children. It is also said that he failed in English 3 times in college. Okay, but now he wrote a beautiful, okay, fun poem about fun poem for you. Okay, children. So take like a front page. See, it is a fun poem with unique rhyming patterns. Okay, it is about the robot the author's brother made, which came wild. So let us read a poem about a robot that didn't exactly do what it was meant to do. So first stanza: my brother built a robot that does not exactly work. Okay, exactly means rightly. As soon as it was finished, it began to go berserk. Okay, berserk means go wild. Its eyes grew incandescent. Okay, incandescent means became heat. Okay, heat or light. And its nose appeared to gleam. Gleam means shine. It bellowed. Okay, it gives some shout. Unbendingly. Okay, it gave some unkind sound. And its ears emitted steam. Steam is giving some vapor. So, see, children, uh, the poet's brother built a robot that does not exactly work. Okay, as soon as the poet's brother finished the making of a robot, it began to go berserk. Okay, berserk means go wild. It was not working the way, okay, the poet's brother wanted it to work. So its eyes, okay, its eyes grew incandescent. It became very heat, and its nose appeared to gleam. Okay, its nose, okay, its nose was shining. It bellowed. Okay, it gives some sound. Okay, sound unkindly, and its ears emitted steam. Okay, and it gave the vapor. Okay, just look at the picture, and we can move to second stanza. So first stanza, everything was going wrong. Okay, wrong direction. And second stanza, my brother built that robot to help us clean our room. Instead, it ate the dustpan and attacked us with the broom. It pulled apart our pillows. It disheveled both our beds. It took a box of crayons and it doodled on our heads. Okay, so the poet is telling that, okay, his brother made a robot to help them, okay, to clean their room, but okay, it's doing wrongly. Okay, so clean their room. Instead, it ate the dustpan. Okay, so instead of cleaning their room, it's eating. Okay, eating the dust. Okay, dustpan, and attacking. Okay, it was attacking the poets and his brother with the broom, and it pulled the pots of all pillows. Okay, all pillows, and it disheveled. Okay, disheveled means it makes the bed. Okay, both their beds untidy. Okay, and it disordered, and it took a box of crayons. It took a color. Okay, color pencils. Okay, crayons, and doodle. Okay, doodle means scribble. So how the kids, they don't know how to write. Okay, so they are scribbling, no, like the robot. Okay, scribble on their heads. Okay, children, so everything was going wrong. Okay, so this is a humorous poem, children, just enjoy it. Okay, and see third stanza. That robot seemed relentless as it tied our socks in knots, then clunked into the kitchen and dismantled pans and pots. The thing was not behaving in the fashion we had planned. It clanked into the bathroom and it filled the tub with sand. So, relentless. Relentless means tireless. Okay. So, the robot was tireless. Okay. As it tied our socks. Okay. It took the socks and tied it. Okay. Then clunked into the kitchen. Okay. And hit. Okay. Hit and throwing away their socks into their kitchen and dismantled. Okay, dismantle means what? It took all the pans and pots and dismantled. Okay, it's taking dismantled, take two pieces. Okay, pans and pots, the thing was not behaving. Okay, it is not behaving in the same manner what they expected. So it clanked into the bathroom and it filled the tub with sand. Okay, it gives a sharp metallic sound in the bathroom, and it took and it filled the tub with the sand. Okay, children, and see fourth one, we tried to disconnect it, but it was no It was to no avail. It picked us both and dropped us in an empty garbage pail. We cannot stop that robot, for we estimate by one hitch. My brother didn't bother to equip it with a switch. So disconnect it, okay? So the poet and their brother, they tried to stop its functions, but it was useless. But it was no avail. Avail means unsuccessful. So instead, okay, when they went for stopping the functions, so the robot took them, okay, the robot picked them both and dropped them into an empty garbage, okay. So we cannot stop that robot, okay, for we estimate by one hitch, okay. One hitch means there is a one problem. What happened actually? His brother forget to put a switch on a robot, so it created a room very untidy. Okay, children, that is end of the poem. So go through the poem, okay, twice, and you can find out all new words meanings, and you can find out the rhyming words, rhyme scheme, everything. Okay, children, thank you. And you can complete a book back question answers also. Page number 167 and 100.